So I am so excited, like beyond excited about this Vegepod. I was so lucky that the company gifted this to me. So thank you very much, the company, because I've been looking at this for quite a while and I just couldn't be any happier to have it. But I'm going to give you all some pointers here and why I love it so much, and hopefully will help you decide if this is a right fit for you. It's basically a watering system, takes care of itself. So it has built-in irrigation and it has a reservoir up under, so it traps the water so that the vegetables are always able to reach down and grab water, which is so neat. So you could go out of town for up to 3 weeks and it would be a self-watering system. Another thing that I absolutely love is the height of this. Like, I don't have to bend over to one of my lower beds over there. I have in-ground beds, but this is just like such a great height and so much easier on my back. It's just so nice. It's amazing. This is a medium size. They have 3 different sizes. A small would be half of this. This is the medium, and a large would be double this. So depending on your needs, you would just pick accordingly. I think the medium is the absolute perfect size for me. It holds a lot of vegetables. You can see I've got all kinds of lettuce. I have my spinach started. I have arugula started. I am going to put micro tomatoes over here, which is perfect in here. I could put 3 there. And then switch over depending on the season. So it's just so easy to be able to walk out of your house and just grab a vegetable, and this just couldn't be easier, and I love it so much. And the huge thing about this is bugs, right? Like, bugs are a nuisance. Once it warms up, they come out. So having this, being able to close this, and you keep this closed all the time. This is allowing for the sun to come through, and it's also allowing for the rain to come through, but it's keeping the bugs out. So that in itself is like majorly huge, because I am always fighting bugs, especially when it warms up. It's just a battle of the bugs. But yes, this is an absolute game changer for gardening. If you're someone that finds gardening overwhelming, or you don't know where to start, like, this is amazing for really expert gardeners, or just beginning.
And just to show you how the box came, it just came really nicely packaged. Everything is so nice. The materials are heavy duty. It was easy to put together. The directions are just clear and precise. And you'll want to get started with some perlite, coarse perlite for drainage in the very bottom. And then the actual bed took 8 cubic feet of soil. I put 4 on each side, and then filled in a little bit more perlite for drainage. And then here's me planting my seedlings. Just so easy, and it's just really nice to be able to have everything right at your level. This raised bed has everything you need for a productive garden.